front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Apps right away. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Cloned Apps. Tap on one of those gray switches next to Suggested Apps to clone them, or hit the other apps and clone one of those. Whatever you decided after tapping on the switcher, just wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on the No Black switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!